Joshua Davis Dillard at Careful Workshop. He has an Instagram, careful_workshop. He also has an Etsy page. First, we're going to look at his Instagram. Here we go. This is one of his new ones here. Got some good looking offerings. Some nice hats there. Make some really nice looking products. This is a rabbit fur right here. 7 1/8. Make some good looking hats. Got a couple there. Those look really nice. It's a hat in progress inside the Careful Workshop. Here we go. Here's this Raiders of the Lost Ark style fedora. Very nice looking hat. Very nice looking hat. Some great looking products. All right, now we have Christie's of London. Adventure. There it is, the Adventure Poet fur felt fedora hat. Looks like they have two options. One seems to be a wool option, the other one seems to be a fur felt option. I believe it's rabbit felt. Let's select that one. It's like United States, $246. You can pick your color, black, navy. Let's go look at the sable. There's the sable. And slide. Comes open crown, so you shape it yourself. Get a look at the ribbon work there. Elm. Let's look at the elm. I like green. Does come open crowned. Bessemer, which would be a clipper hat. And then they have gray silver. Would make a crystal skull travel fedora. It says, please allow up to 7 working days for this hat to be made for you. Christie's of London. All right, well, that pretty much wraps up the indie hat roundup for right now. I'm sure we'll do some more videos as more hatters come along. But if there's a hatter that you would like to have profiled, let me know. I'm always looking for content. Always looking for something to put out there. All right, well, happy hunting. Y'all have a wonderful day. God bless.